So we have a correction to our last exercise today. Number 1, find the value of x in the figures below. 1a, I think I already have that here. The date is 15. That's 1a. You can see that all of the exterior angles are already given. So we say sum of exterior angles. The sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So that means when we add all these exterior angles together, we get 360 degrees. And that's x, that means, x plus 2x plus x plus 30 plus 3x plus 50 equals 360 degrees. And that simply means let's add all the x's. X plus 2x is 3x, plus x is 4x, plus 3x is 7x. That means 7x plus, and we add the numbers down, 30 plus 50 is 80 equals 360 degrees. And that means 7x equals 360 minus 80. And that means 7x equals 280. And when you divide both sides by 7 here, 1, 7 here, 1, 7 here, 1, 7 into 280 is 40. X is 40 degrees. Now to the second, B. Let me just copy the diagram. And paste it here. This is question B. And how do we solve that? We don't have all the exterior angles here. Note that an exterior angle is formed by extending any of the sides of a polygon. If you extend any of the sides of a polygon, the angle so formed is called an exterior angle. So we can see here that an exterior angle has been formed by this line, another one has been formed by this side, another one has been formed by this side. So the only sides for which that there are no exterior angles are this and this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to extend this length. I'm extending this length just to have an exterior angle. Yeah, that's it. And this length here to have exterior angle. So this angle is an exterior angle. Let me call this angle A, and this is also an exterior angle. Let me call it B. So now I have all the exterior angles of all the exterior angles of a polygon. So I can now say I just need to find A and B and then move on from there. So A plus 135 degrees equals 180 degrees. And the reason for that is angles on a straight line. The sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Angles on a straight line, and that means A equals 180 minus 135, which is 45 degrees. In the same vein, B plus 125 degrees equals 180 degrees. And the reason is also angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. And that means B equals 180 minus 125, and that's 65 degrees. Now we have all the exterior angles. We just add them together and equate to 360 degrees. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon equals 360 degrees. Therefore, A plus x plus 40, A plus, or maybe you want to bring the diagram down here to just see, so that we can see all the angles without having to scroll up and down. Alright, so these are the exterior angles. A plus x plus 40 plus 2x plus b plus 70. Those are all of the exterior angles, and they add up to give 360 degrees. And then we say, what is A? Of course, A is 45 degrees, which means 45 plus x plus 40 plus 2x plus b, which is 65, plus 70 equals 360 degrees. Let me take this out now. And that means x plus 2x is 3x, plus 45 plus 40 is 85, plus 65 is 150, plus 70 is 320. Is that correct? 45 plus 40 is 85, plus 65 is 45 plus 40, 85, plus 65, that's 140. Yeah, that's 150 plus 70, that's 220. 150 plus 70 is 220, equals 360 degrees. And that means, I think I need to check and be sure I didn't make any mistake here. 180 minus 125. 180 minus 125 is 55 and not 75. Sorry about that. That was a very careless one. 180 minus 125 is 55 and not 65. So B is 55 degrees and not 65 degrees. That's 55 equals 360 degrees. So that means we have 45 plus 40 is 85 plus 55, that plus 55 is 140, plus 70 is 210. That's 3x plus 210 degrees equals 360 degrees. And that means 3x equals 360 minus 210 degrees, which means 3x equals 150 degrees, and we divide both sides by 3, which means 3a1, 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 3, 150 is 50, and therefore x equals 50 degrees. So that's it, very simply. And now we go to number 2. Number 2 says the sum of 4 of the angles of a heptagon, which is a 7-sided polygon, is 600 degrees. The other 3 angles are of sizes 4x, 5x, and 6x. Find the value of x and hence find the sizes of the 3 angles. Alright, so number 2, sum of angles of a heptagon. Sum of angles, of course, interior angles. Sum of angles of a heptagon is given by the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees, which means 7 minus 2 times 180 degrees, and that's 5 times 180 degrees, which is 900 degrees. So therefore the sum of 4 of the angles, which is 600, plus the remaining 3 angles, which are 4x, 5x, and 6x, all of these add up to give 900 degrees. So that means 600 plus 4x plus 5x is 9x, plus 6x is 15x, equals 900. And that means 15x equals 900 minus 600, which means 15x equals 300. And we divide both sides by 15 to get x. 15 here 1, 15 here 1, 15 here 1, 15 in 300 is 20. And therefore, x is 20 degrees. So that means 4x equals 4 times 20, which is 80 degrees. 5x equals 5 times 20, which is 100 degrees. And 6x equals 6 times 20, which is 120 degrees. Therefore, the other three angles are 80 degrees, 100 degrees, and 120 degrees. And that's it. Very, very simply. Please pardon me for the mistake I made earlier, and I hope you now understand it. So make sure you do the exercise. Make sure you do the exercise that follows. There's an exercise here for you. This is the exercise. Make sure you do this exercise and submit to me. Do this exercise and submit, and I will be happy to see a very, very good presentation, and also to see you get the questions right. They are all very, very simple. Just follow the simple rules we have learned, and I'm sure you'll get it. All right. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next class.